Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making my ruby and gold rocky road, and it is my festive take on a rocky road, which is a great thing to have in the fridge, stashed in the fridge, so anytime I need a sweet treat over the next while, I can grab myself a chunk of this. Now, and I delude myself that this is going to last very long. Anyways, we'll get things underway. So I need a pan, and I have here 150 grams of dark chocolate that I've just broken up. And to that, I'm going to add 125 grams of butter, unsalted, and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. This just makes it glossy and shiny. And I'm going to put on a low heat. And don't worry, this isn't going to be dark. You'll never know there was dark chocolate used in it. It just gives it a depth of flavour. And now I'm going to add the same amount of milk chocolate. Break that in. Just stir that together over this low heat until it melts together. My chocolate's melted. What I want to do now is just pour off just a little bit. Perfect. And I'm going to pour the remainder into this bowl. This just helps it cool quicker, because I don't want it melting my marshmallows. Can, of course, if you prefer, do this in the microwave, or as Nigella would call it, the microwave. Right, so that can set there and cool slightly whilst I get on with the rest. So I have 125 grams of rich tea biscuits. I prefer to use these to digestive biscuits because I just find with digestives it can become very gritty, and these just have more crunch, and crunch is what I want. You can break them up in a food bag. I just prefer to crush them in my hands. Not very difficult. And you want some pieces big, some pieces like dust, and some bits just a little bigger. Every time I have a big bowl of melted chocolate in front of me like this, I'm very tempted to do a Vicar of Dibley and grab a wine glass and just in with it and drink it down. Then I have the same here as well of these glossy glacé cherries like Rudolph's nose. And this is my ruby element. And I did say it was going to be a ruby and gold rocky road, so here comes the gold in the form of a honeycomb bar, milk chocolate bar. Again, just break that in, same as the biscuits. We want some dust, some larger pieces. 125 grams again, give or take. These bars are 26 grams each, so it's a little extra, but I'll fix that. And finally, 125 grams of mini marshmallows. Stir that together. And it might not seem at first that there's enough chocolate here to coat everything, but trust me, there is. That sounds just like a morning walk on freshly fallen snow. Lined 20cm tin. I just line it in order to make it easier to lift out. Of course, if you're doing this as a gift or for a bake sale or anything, those disposable foil trays make a fantastic option here. You can see there how rocky it is. But We're going to do a bit of roadworks here and smooth the top slightly with our reserve chocolate. Just drizzle that over the top. Fill in some of those larger potholes. This is ready for the fridge, about 2 hours, and it'll be set, and then I can cut it into bars. Rocky Road's had its time in the fridge, and this is why I lined it. Makes it very easy to unmold. Hear that crunch? That's good. So my gold and my rubies and my marshmallows. Now all it needs is a snowfall of icing sugar. I think I'll have myself one now. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. And thanks for watching. These are so good.